Want to code faster, fix bugs more easily, or learn programming with ChatGPT? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for coding, from generating code to debugging errors and learning new programming concepts. So let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT website or mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, click New Chat to start a coding conversation. Before asking for code, explain exactly what you're building. Mention the programming language, your goal, the framework if you're using one, and any important requirements. Clear prompts usually produce much better code. Now ask ChatGPT to generate a code example or help you build a specific feature. Whether you're creating a simple calculator, designing a website, writing a Python script, or working with an API, ChatGPT can provide a useful starting point. If your code isn't working, copy the error message along with the relevant code and ask ChatGPT to explain what's wrong. Instead of only asking for a fix, request an explanation so you understand why the error happened and how to avoid it in the future. ChatGPT is also a great learning tool. You can ask it to explain programming concepts, compare different languages, describe how algorithms work, or break down complex topics into beginner-friendly lessons. Once your code works, ask ChatGPT to improve it. It can suggest cleaner formatting, better variable names, improved readability, and more efficient solutions. You can even request comments to make the code easier to understand. Finally, remember to test the code yourself before using it in a real project. Run your program, verify that it behaves as expected, and review the logic carefully. ChatGPT is an excellent coding assistant, but testing is always an important final step. And that's how to use ChatGPT for coding. Whether you're learning your first programming language or building larger projects, ChatGPT can help you write code faster, understand difficult concepts, and solve problems more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more technology guides, and thanks for watching.